Welcome to the Vector Academy. Operating system. The government of computer system. Consisting of hardware, software, and data. Computer systems can be viewed as consisting of hardware, software, and data. A computer system can be divided roughly into four components. The hardware, the operating system, the application programs, and a user. The hardware provides the basic computing resources for the system. The hardware constitutes the central processing unit, CPU, the memory, and the input, output, I/O devices. The application programs define the ways in which these resources are used to solve users' computing problems. Examples of the application programs are word processors, spreadsheets, compilers, and web browsers. The operating system controls the hardware and coordinates its use among the various application programs for the various users. The operating system provides the means for proper use of these resources in the operation of the computer system. An operating system is similar to a government. Like a government, it performs no useful function by itself. It simply provides an environment within which other programs can do useful work.
Thanks for your time. Share it in your circle to help people search less and learn more. Stay tuned to the Vector Academy.